What's up, YouTube? It's your boy G Money, and we back with another video, man. Hey, you know I'm at my favorite spot, man. Let me turn y'all. Yeah, Portage car wash, y'all. And I was gonna have Catfish do it because we going to a show today, but I wanted them to vacuum my interior real good. So I should have showed y'all, man, but you know, I'm in here trying to clean up the carpet a little bit. Hold on. Had a couple of stains in there, and I'm gonna go back over there at home. Well, they actually gonna get that out because I got some solution in there. But right here on the side, that was real filthy. I just got to go back over that at home, and I'm gonna put my WeatherTech floor mats in. They finally came in, so I'm gonna show y'all what that looked like, and we're gonna hit a show. But stay tuned for this fire intro. Yes, sir. I'll be right back with y'all.
What's up, everybody? You are now rocking with the one and only. The one and only, that is. My gangster. Hell yeah, man, it's about to get real crazy. Cause you're rocking with your money, baby. Hell yeah, man, it's about to get real crazy. Cause you're rocking with your rock with G Money.
All right, y'all, what's going on? Just wanted to fill y'all in on a couple of things, man. First of all, I want to say thank you for everybody who subscribed to the channel. If you're new to subscribe to the channel, thanks for your support, man. Remember to go and watch them, watch my G Money playlist, y'all, because you know y'all get a chance to see, you know, where we came from and who G Money is. You see the cars that I had at the beginning, and then you can see what we're working on now. Also, you know, the Rick Ross show, salute to everybody at the Rick Ross show, man. Everybody was able to go out, man. The only reason I didn't go to that show is because, you know, y'all, if you had new to the channel, my car burned down. If y'all are old to the channel, y'all know that already. And I didn't have nothing to take to the show, so the investment would have been extreme. But if I'd have had my Caprice ready, you know what I'm saying, then I would have took that down there. Definitely made that sacrifice. But we got more things to come. We still building the car, so we're gonna divert those funds into the new car and the project. Salute to 78 Chevy Boy, y'all, man. If you hadn't checked out the video from last week, check out that video, man. His show was a success. It was the bomb, and if you missed it this year, you better be on deck for next year. It's gonna be a party, y'all. He said it's gonna be a party. I think he said 2 or 3 day event. So hey, 78 Chevy Boy, man, be rocking with him. You know what I'm saying? So I'm at the car wash, y'all, waiting for my thing to get done. And you know, I just wanted to holler at y'all, man, and tell y'all thank you. If you're new to the channel or you just tuning in one of these videos, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell, because then you'll know all the fresh videos coming up. Got somebody want to blow horns around here. You'll see all the videos coming up. We getting ready to start on the Box Chevy project, my Whoopi Goldberg 2.0. So stay tuned for that too, y'all. Hopefully I'll wrap it up with the insurance company this week, and then I can start taking y'all around to sorry about that, they start firing up the dryer and the thing, but hopefully I can start, you know, doing more videos on Whoopi. I talked to my upholstery guy, paint is lined up, man. We got a plan for that. And I just got to order a couple of things. And, you know, of course, the motor work is on deck because, you know, Swap Performance is going to take care of that. So, Ken 10 Customs, Swap Performance, they got me on hit. Stay tuned, y'all, man. It's going to be a Ken 10 Customs, Swap Performance, G Money car show coming soon. We trying to figure out the dates. It might be the end of the season this year, or it's going to be early next year. But definitely stay tuned for that, man. We want to, you know, try to make it at the right time where we got, you know, the right weather going on and all that stuff. But stay tuned, man. Stay tuned to all our channels. Ken 10 Customs, Swap Performance, Swaps Performance, and Fly by G Money, man. And we gonna get that pumping and jumping for y'all, man. So, you know, appreciate all y'all, man. And we gonna move on, man, when I show you the car when it come out. And then we got the install the mats. This might be a short one today because I'm trying to shoot a couple videos today. So, but thanks y'all for stopping through, man. Appreciate everybody, man. All right, I'll be back in a minute. All right, holla. All right, y'all, man. Hey, we done got done with the car wash. I done changed clothes, you know what I'm saying? I got the green and the red and the gray going on, you know what I'm saying? But we made Catfish done came through. We done put the WeatherTech flat full mats in. Well, most of them anyway. We ain't put the third row and the back in here yet, but I'm gonna let y'all see what it's looking like. My boy Catfish right in front of me. He trying to shoot his little video. And so, you know, we're gonna get on up out of here though. Man, we got here a little late, man. This mug is busting. So, you know, shoot. Yep. So here, let me turn y'all around. Show y'all what the WeatherTech flow mats looking like with that cocoa brown to match that brown. And that brown, you know, cocoa brown. You know what I'm saying? So we just doing a little something, you know. We got them in the back row too, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the seat belts, cocoa brown. Cocoa brown, you know what I'm saying?
Hanging out with my buddy, Fly by G Money. You see him right there. Yeah. Look at the hat. Look at the fit. Yeah. Come on now, y'all see. Yep. Hey, y'all see the fit, man. Look at it. I don't know what he named this damn truck yet. I don't even know if he got a name. Jasmine? Yasmin. Okay. Y'all see it, man. Hey, if you haven't already, go support my brother, man. On all platforms. You see Instagram and YouTube. Fly_by_G Money.
We got it looking clean over here.
With them big tires, and he got it looking good too, guys.
Yeah, we got it cleaned up. So you know what I'm saying, we doing our thing. Y'all see my boy Catfish getting it in over there.
Here's the quarter right there in Catfish Corner. And Instagram.
So it look like I'm
yeah, guys, we about to walk up in this place, man.
Look like I'm gonna have to take some stuff out this camera, man, because I'm seeing it look like I only got 6 minutes left. So we're gonna take some stuff off of here. Yeah. As you see, they got some heat coming in here, man. Nice hot rods coming through. You got an old school Nova right here. You know what I'm saying? They got this boy busting, bro. They got cars all over this boy. And they walking, they down the street, bro. Yeah. So yeah, some nice whips out here, y'all. So I'm gonna get back with you, man. Catfish filming his video. I don't want the same perspective. So you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get on out of here and clear this camera out. I'll holler at y'all. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Oh, look at the drip. Look at the drip. Oh, y'all see the drip? Hold on, let me see y'all. The drip. Oh, y'all see the drip? Y'all see the drip? Yes, sir. All right, y'all. I'm gonna holler at you. Okay, family. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all some cars that caught my eye. I know Catfish filming the whole show. That's what he do. But I'm just gonna show y'all, take y'all in the direction. If you seen G Money, if G Money could do these cars, he would do them. All right. So this is 72 Nova, y'all. This is in the hood, man. You know, we had some cats. I don't know if y'all know. You know, I ain't gonna mention his name, but he was a pro basketball player. His brother had one, and from my neighborhood, and he had one of these. He had a black one, 72. This one is smoking. He got this one's hopped up. It looked like he got the tack in there, you know, stick. Well, it's an automatic, but you know, it looked like one of them slapsticks. And these are Novas that I like, with the square lights on the back. Yep, I like them a lot. If I could get my hands on one, this car right here, yeah, they got a lot of nice cars over here. K5 Blazer right there, bro. I would love to have me a K5 Blazer. Let me zoom y'all in. K5 Blazer, man, would love to have that. You know what I'm saying? Another car I can do, this is Scout, y'all. Not messing with the Scout. That's a Scout. Oh, that's actually a Jeep. This is one. I love to have one of these. This one looks like a 74. So, one like this, y'all, I'd love to have. See if I can get y'all. A lot of cars coming down here. I was trying to get this before the cars coming. But this is one that I would love to have. Beautiful car. Got the interior done in the crushed velvet. Beautiful car. I don't want to get a license plate on there. Let's see it. All right, let's head across the street. Whoa, there's a lot of cars out here. A nice C10. I wouldn't do a C10. You know, I'm a big guy. It's too small for me. All right, y'all. Now there's 55 right here. I like 55s. They got a 57 I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. But this is the lower model. I think it's called a Chevy 2. You can tell oh, you got a Corvette motor in there. Look at that. Nice. Now, these cars, a Bel Air would have more of the chrome trimming on the side. This is a Chevy 2, and it has a post on it. So it'll be a no post car. I think it's the Bel Air. 55. Really nice car. Maybe a 56, y'all. I don't know the difference between the two. Here's another car I would like to do, Cutlass. drop top, of course. That's probably later on in the day. I like those seats, man. I might look in and see if I can find something like that for the Caprice build, Whoopi Goldberg 2.0. Here's another one, y'all. Chevelle Super Sport. It's a 68, I think it was. Nice car. Very nice car. Very original condition. Nice cars out here. Alright guys, now here's a 57 and that's a Bel Air. See, it has a lot of more equipment on it. It has the trim pieces. And that's how you know it's a Bel Air. It has the Bel Air trim. Interior is nicely done. Love the interior, it's beautiful. See all the chrome and stuff. That's what came with the Bel Air. The Chevy 2 was a little bit more basic and affordable. The Bel Air had all the bells and whistles. There's another one, y'all. This one's nice too. But that's a drop. This is a hard top. But you know the 57 because of the big fin on the back. And the other one I showed you guys, it had the, you know, rounded bumpers. He has a custom interior in there, y'all. That's really nice. And it's like he got a 502 in this motor. He has a crate motor in there, so really nice, really nice. Yep. I almost bought one of these cars right here. This is a Cutlass, probably like a 75. I almost bought one of those. They got something for everybody out here. You can see some tuners in the back. But just gonna focus on, you know, G Money cars. There's a lot of nice cars out here. A lot of good folks. Man, that is cool. That is cool. That is super cool. That coming out. Oh, 1954 COE. Beautiful truck. It's your truck? Is that yours?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful, beautiful.
You,
I love the color.
The inside's a little different than what it was back then.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you keep building and you keep building. It's a project, right?
Good job. Good job. Did everything but the upholstery and the bed.
Look at that, y'all.
Did you?
These trucks, you don't see a lot of them. Shoot, this is a COE. Cab over. So they got the cab over the engine. And the nice interior, and the interior is beautiful. The purple paint, purple seats. He did a great job there. Get a cool purple bike he got on the back. Look at that, y'all. We got some beauties over here, guys. Old Rev. Now this is G Money style right here. This is a 60, looks like a 65. 65 Rev. Grand Sport. That's top of the line for this car. I think it's a 460 in this car. Got a Wildcat motor in it. This is a beautiful car. Look at the wood grain in there, guys. So nice. And you know, the technology, I think that's a blind spot indicator right there. Or no, I think that's a, no, I think it's a blind spot indicator. Yeah, but look at the interior. This is all original, man. Look like it's been painted, but that interior is original. Yeah, I can see me in one of those. I'm gonna cut y'all off for a minute. See what else I can find. We're gonna go G Money style. All right, y'all. I'll be back in a minute. Guys, found another one. Now, this is a newer one. It's probably like a 78, 79. I love these cars, so love these cars. Completely redone, but it still has like the original. I don't know what's going on with my phone. I hope it don't come out on my footage like this. Has the original dashboard in there. Yeah, has the original dashboard. That little, I don't know if it was a sticker or if that was real metal, but cool. Cool car, not a T-top car. But the color on here is gorgeous. This is 69 Camaro. I always wanted one of these. My brother had one, and he never finished his. But that's a beautiful car, guys. Beautiful car. I wouldn't mind having one of those. Even being on Fords in here. On the Ford side, I would love to have a Galaxy. You know what I'm saying? They're like so hard to come by, so expensive. It's gonna be a while. I'm gonna take y'all inside. I'm gonna show you what our girl Mary. If you're not in tune with Mary, I'm gonna leave her social media in the description. This is where she works. She's a painter. She's been on Stunner Reach channel, and she's an awesome painter. She has a couple of projects in here, she told me, and if I can catch her, I'll get her back on the video. Oh, I didn't notice that. Hold on, let me turn you around here. For you import guys, here's an import for you. Is that electric?
Yeah, it's a Mini.
It's electric though.
Hey man, did you get the car that they converted to electric in there?
I ain't go in yet.
Man, dude, you gotta see this.
Yeah,
it's old. It's a. I don't know what year. You gotta see it, man.
All right, guys, we're gonna go inside the shop. We're gonna see some of Mary's cars she did. Beautiful shop. Oh, look at that. I might need these. Oh, those chrome. I need gold. So this is where the magic happens. So it looks like these are the cars they're working on. Look at that Benz. That's a Benz. That's a nice Benz. Oh. Mary said she painted a couple of cars. Trying to remember what she said she painted. How's it going? All right. She said she did a couple of cars in here, so we gotta go check them out. I got what they got in here. This one they working on, that's gonna be badass. 69 C10. Ooh, wee, look at that paint. That's wet, wet, a beautiful light blue. If you can see it in person, it's got some green in it. Freaking awesome. Look at that Camaro, guys. Beautiful Camaro. Wow, they got some cars in here, guys. It's a SS. My fault, guys. Oh. Oh, that's electric?
Yeah, you ready? Yeah.
Look at that guy. They say this one is, it's Model A, 1930 Model A. And Catfish say it's electric. Wow. I bet this thing turns those tires like nothing else. Look at that Model A, guys. $55. Guys, good. 55 Chevy, guys. I love that interior. I'm thinking about doing this same type of material in my Caprice. I just don't know if I want to do brown. And I don't know how a lighter color is, but that brown looks really good. It's got a chassis and everything. I would love to have one of these. Love to have one of these. And it looked like that's, I don't think that gas cord was supposed to be. That looks custom. They didn't make the gas doors. They need them in behind the tank in the trunk. So that's different. And SS wagon, y'all. Freaking beautiful. Beautiful, huh? Yes.
Everything.
Yes. SS wagon. Yeah, shoot. They got a lot of cars in here. Got a donk. They got a Lincoln. Now this is a car, guys, that I would totally, I almost found one. I would totally do one of these. And I think, if I remember correctly, I think they put a Mustang chassis on here. This is like a total redo over. Man, this thing is gonna be crazy when they get done. This thing is gonna be so crazy. You see they chopped it? This is gonna be crazy, crazy. Now, this one I think Mary says she's working on. She said it was a, no, she said a Mustang. Wow, man. Man, they do extensive work over here. Extensive work. Man, I wish that I could take a car down this far. One day I will, guys. One day I will. With your support for the channel, we're going to do this. We're going to do that. Look at that total mock-up. Man, they got some stuff in here. I'm telling you. Man. Amazing. Let's see. This is a car Mary said she finished. Okay. That is freaking beautiful. Look at that color. Yeah, this is it, because I remember the color from her social media. Man, look at that. Look at that. Freaking beautiful. And this looks like they did the whole chassis on this one to a newer Corvette chassis. Oh man, I think this thing would be so cool to drive. We got all the dynamite in there. That blue is so deep. Man. And look at this Mustang. I think Mary painted this one as well. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Man. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so I kind of gave y'all everything that I was doing this morning, but I'm going to cut another video for today, man. We're going to wrap it up right here. Glad they didn't have that music playing in here. And I'm going to go over the video and get it out to you guys. But, man, like I said in the beginning of the video, thank you guys for all your support. And, you know what I'm saying? We only going up. We need about 600 watch hours now, man. So you guys really been helping out with the watch hours. So keep going ahead playing that G Money playlist. And you know what I'm saying? I'm going to get out of here. But you know what I always say, guys. Customize whatever you drive, man. It's your boy G Money, and we out.